How to change how long iPhone stays on. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. From here, you can choose the auto lock timing for your lock screen. Select Never. This means your screen will not auto-lock until you lock it yourself. Note that this setting might use more energy than usual. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change how long your iPhone stays on. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.